Metalworking is one of humanity's oldest skills. But what happens when you combine centuries of tradition with the power of artificial intelligence? Today, we'll explore 10 fascinating ways AI is transforming both industrial metalwork and even heavy metal music.
At Makina Labs, engineers have built giant robotic arms powered by AI that can shape metal sheets with precision. Instead of building expensive molds, these robots can adapt on the fly, making custom metal parts faster and cheaper. AI is also being used in welding. In high-risk environments like nuclear facilities, adaptive welding systems can automatically adjust their settings in real time, keeping workers safe while improving the quality of each weld. CNC machining has always required hours of programming. But now, AI-powered tools can generate optimized cutting paths instantly. That means faster production and fewer errors in the machine shop. Metal fabrication software is evolving too. With AI, coding and production planning become more efficient, allowing fabricators to reduce waste and maximize precision. But AI isn't just shaping real metal, it's also making heavy metal music. Some creators have released full albums where the music, lyrics, and even vocals are 100% AI generated. The result? A strangely convincing metal soundscape. AI can also capture subgenres like thrash metal. With tools like Suno AI, creators are generating high-energy riffs and aggressive vocals that sound like they came straight out of the 80s. One track, called Rust and Gears, takes a steampunk-inspired theme and turns it into an AI-driven metal anthem. It shows just how flexible AI is when it comes to mixing themes and styles. Heavy metal isn't just music, it's power, passion, and rebellion. Born in the late 1960s with bands like Black Sabbath, metal brought distorted guitars, thunderous drums, and raw emotion to the stage. Over time, it exploded into countless subgenres: thrash, death, power, black metal, each with its own sound and style. But at its core, heavy metal is about energy, freedom, and a community that lives loud and proud. Whether it's headbanging at a concert or blasting riffs at home, metal is more than music. It's a way of life.